How's it going, guys? Julian Bradley here from jazztutorial.com. I hope you're doing well. Now, I just wanted to let you know that I've started posting daily jazz piano videos on Instagram. You can find me at jazztutorialofficial. And I've been posting daily chord progressions, which contain not only chord progressions, but dozens of lush chord voicings, all of which you can take and use instantly at the piano. And I've also been posting daily jazz piano tips, many of which are excerpts taken from my premium jazz courses over at jazztutorial.com. And if you're not on Instagram, you can find me on Facebook, where I post many of the same posts, and that's at facebook.com/jazztutorial. And that way you'll keep up to date with everything that I'm doing, even when I'm not posting regularly on YouTube. So again, I hope you're doing well, especially during this time, and I hope to see you over on Instagram or Facebook.